Welcome back, YouTube family. It's your boy Mbumi and Co. with funds in galore, where investing needs more. So, welcome back, guys. We here to check how the market has been doing this week and what's been popping. Just to follow up on our previous video, the Nasdaq breakdown, and I also included the US30. So I'll be also looking at the US30 breakdown, and we'll also be looking at German 30. I'm gonna be breaking down German 30 right now. So without wasting time, let's just dive into the markets and see what's happening. So okay, like I said, guys, once the market breaks, yeah, we were looking for continuations that the market could push to the upside, right? But the problem is we can't take entries from here because we don't have an exit strategy. There's no resistance. There's no resistance because that's an all-time high. The market is currently at all-time high. The market has never been here in the past before, so it's the first time the market is has been here. So what we're waiting for is we're waiting for the market to pull back, to push back, guys, so that we can look for more entries. But for now, let me just show you quickly. So for now, we'll just mark this as a potential future resistance. So we'll just mark it as a potential future resistance. So for now, what we can tell is that the market has reached our future potential resistance, and it has reached our daily resistance on the overall time frame, guys. If you remember, we did the overall time frame, so I won't be doing the specific setup again. I'll redo setups every week. So if you haven't checked my earlier videos, please be sure to check it out so you can see what I'm talking about. And last time, guys, remember, and I told you that we're in a bullish market, right? We're in an overall bullish market. So when we're in an overall bullish market, we are high probability buyers, right? Because every our high probability entries for buyers are more prominent in the overall direction, because the overall direction is for buys. So that's why, like I said last time, it's possible for the market to hit the resistance but still continuing giving us the buying opportunities because we're in an overall buy market. So we're in an overall bullish market. So last time I stated that when prices get to the resistance, it's very much possible for prices to continue playing around this region before selling because we're in an overall buy market. The same thing if we're in an overall sell market. Let me just try and show you guys what I mean. So if we're in a overall sell market, let's say we're in an overall sell market, uh, we're in an overall sell market, so it's possible for prices to play like this. So we buy at the support and we sell at the resistance, but the market can maybe continue, and this time around it can play around this level for quite some time before actually going up, because we're in an overall sell market. So it's possible. That's why I'm always trading with the market. So now what is price action telling us? Price action is telling us that we're on an overall resistance. So but we're not going to be entering because we're not trading against the market. So we're not going to be entering. You're going to be looking for more buying opportunities. And how do we spot out buying opportunities? By being literally patient, guys. Gotta be patient and only trade setups that you're familiar with. For now, It's a patience. We're waiting for the market. If it's possible, the market can maybe drop down here, then we can scoop these buying entries from the support and back up there. So that's the overall game plan, unless the market creates some form of pattern that demonstrates to us that nope, we are looking to be buying at this region. So for now, guys, we just going to wait. There's literally nothing for us to do here. Literally nothing for us to do. So we're done with the Nasdaq. Let's check uh XPX 500. XPX 500 is XPX 500 has been failing to play here. So we wanted the market to trigger our alert, so it triggered it the first time, but we did not enter, guys. We did not enter. Let me show you where it triggered it. Let me just try and we did not enter because we did not get a proper retest. If you want to see proper retest, guys, go check out my strategic trading academy. I've only uploaded the basics to the strategy that I'm using, the technical analysis. So you better check that out, guys, because later on I'm gonna be doing the advanced trading academy, so that when you refer back to videos like this, you can be like, oh, okay, I see what he's talking about. So let's explain something quickly, and the reason why we did not look for entries, we did not buy. So okay, the market was playing within this range, you know. The market was playing right here. I was playing within. What did I do now? Okay, the market was playing within our zone. Like I said, guys, this is our support. So it was playing around. The market was choppy-ish. It was making buys. It was creating a buying opportunity. People bought, and it was also selling at the same time, buying. So this is what we call a choppy market. It's giving characteristics of a choppy market and choppy week. So we're not gonna be trading this. And another reason why I did not enter it at upon break of structure here is because we don't take our entries at the first go, guys. We don't take our entries at the first go. Only if we're trading with pending orders, guys. I'll teach you how to use pending orders if that is a strategy that you would like to use. For market execution, it's always important to wait for the retest. So the market spiked up, people who got excited entered here, and they got wiped out. So we need the market to break. Let me just make it clear again. Let's just make it clear again. We need the market to break, right? And we needed to give us retests, to give us those confirmations, because we would have had a confirmation from the support, a confirmation from the trend, a confirmation for the mid-level over here. So we could have had multiple confirmations. Now the market failed to break back, and therefore we were saved and we were not stopped out, and therefore we also had an alert. We're waiting for the market to break back. If it breaks back, it'll break back. So now let's see what the market is doing, guys. In US30 right now, there's a lot of areas where the market can play at this particular place. There's a lot of areas that the market makers can use to trap players, because look at your, if we further add mid levels into our trading flow, we can see that there's still a magnitude of areas where the market is creating. Let me just switch to line chart. It's creating an abundance of touches. As you can see, we're having touches over here, we're having touches over here, one touches over here. Market is respecting this price, market is also respecting this price. If we also cater the wicks, as you can see, we have market wicks. I'll teach you about wicks if you don't know what wicks is later. So you see there's an abundance of touches also here. There was a W structure, right? So at the W, wait for breaks and retest before entering. So that's a beautiful W structure. Let me just try and redraw it properly for you guys can see. W is a reversal pattern, right? So there's an abundance of touches here, so the market is playing right about here, but we're looking to enter at a key area. We're looking to enter here, but not to say when the market gets to we just enter. We need confirmations. We need at least three confirmations stating that the market is gonna buy, and you only have one force stating that the market is gonna sell. That's how you know that it's your high probability trades. If there's a numerous a setups that's eluding that, okay, we could sell, like for example here we have a formation of a head and shoulder, so the market can play out in that, and this is also a resistance if market fails to break above. So we have two confirmations, so the only thing is to wait and find a proper structure, and we only have one confirmation for buy, which is just the break and retest here, uh which is not confirmed now. So what we do now, guys, is simple. We're still gonna be targeting that area. We're still targeting that area, but we need to be a little bit cautious now because we don't want to make any mistakes. So what we do at this time is we wait, we follow the market, guys. Forex trading is literally 90% following the market and 10% buying and selling, and this is literally what I'm showing you guys. Literally last time we took trades was S&P 500, took proper nice trades with S&P 500. We don't trade news events. I don't trade news events. If you guys trade news events, you can trade news events. That's why we're not entering during NSP and all of CPI and all of those heavy news events. But otherwise we love volatility, guys, but not unnecessary volatility. So let's just update our channels and see what's going on. Now we just update so that the market can give us more information. We need information to trade. Trading is a business. You just don't want to be entering. Let me see if I'm not above my time limit. Let me just check if I'm not above. Okay, it's almost time. Okay, I'll create a separate video for German 30, guys. So I'll also post German 30 today. I'll post the German 30 setup today. So guys, this is our new channel. So the market can potentially play in this range, or it could just continue creating more downward movement. So but this is all the information we have so far, and we're not gonna act upon it because it's not sufficient information yet. We need it to be sufficient in order for us to use it. So let us just we'll just leave that here. We'll leave everything as it is for now and just save our charts. So we're not gonna miss out on anything because we have our alerts placed, so we don't always have to come running back to the market to check what's going on. Literally I can come and check this tomorrow if I wanted to, as long as the alert is not triggered. There's no need to force anything. S&P 500 quickly. I'll do S&P I'll quickly run through S&P 500. As you can see, we're waiting for prices to drop, guys. If we can get prices to drop, we need the market to regenerate liquidity, and this is a level where the market can regenerate liquidity. Yeah, this is our liquidity area. We need liquidity. Once the market is here, we know that we're looking for further continuations. We want to see what the market is gonna do. It also depends on how the market is approaching this level. Everything then, it all depends on how it approaches this level. So we're waiting for the market. Let's see how the market approaches this level. As you can see, guys, we won this trade. That's the last trade we took, so you can go check out that analysis. I posted it on my YouTube channel. Everything is there, so you can see how we got to the build up of this trend. So for now, guys, we're gonna do exactly what we did on Oh no, I'm out of time.